everybody! Today I will be showing you how to make a Cherry Blossom Frappuccino from Starbucks. It only comes out in Japan, actually, during the springtime, right around where the cherry blossoms begin to bloom. I haven't found a single recipe on it. I really wanted to try it, so today I will be making my own version of it. Hope you enjoy it. Let's get started. Okay guys, so to start out you will want 1 small cup of ice, any sort of cherry preserves or topping that you can find, a white chocolate mocha mix. Here I've made it myself, so I'll link it down below for those of you who want to try it, 2 small tubs of any sort of vanilla ice cream, whipped cream of course, some pink sprinkles for decoration, and of course you will want a cup and a blender. Okay, so into a blender you're going to want to put your ice, about 3 tablespoons of the white chocolate mocha mix you've made, both of your small tubs of vanilla ice cream, about 3 tablespoons of the cherry topping or cherry preserves, and now it's time to blend. So when you're blending, you may have to stop in the middle and mix it up with a spoon, just like I had to because my blender's not that great. But once you do that, blend it again, and it's time to pour. So you're just going to want to pour that into a cup. And then top it with some whipped cream. And last but not least, add on your sprinkles. Okay guys, so that's it for today's video. Leave a comment down below, tell me how I'm doing, and until then, I'll see you later.